Okay, thank you, Mr. Morales. Also, Mr. Leon Lee. Okay, next, thank you, Mr. Leon Lee. Next is Abdul Yakin. Thank you. Next one is Zain Zulhelmi. Thank you. Next is Vince Pauling. Round of applause, please. Okay, thank you, Mr. Zain. Next one is Mr. Vince Pauling. Sorry. Who's Zain Zulhelmi? Alright, I was sorry. Okay, my bad. Okay, now, Abdul Azim. Okay, thank you, Mr. Abdul Azim. And the last one will be Zen Hao. Okay, thank you, Mr. Zin Hao. To close this meaningful tradition, we honor the man who has been Kat's greatest protector, guide, and source of unconditional love since the very beginning. Tonight, he will present the final rose as a symbol of lasting care and support as Kat steps into adulthood. And now they have the participation of the beloved guests, friends, and family. So when I say the name, you can. Okay? Is it okay? Okay. So now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Kathleen's father, Mr. Wilmar Samson, for the last and most special day of the Rocket. Yeah! Round of applause, please. Before he was carried, but now she became the leader. Now, we move on to another unique tradition. This, the eating candle! Yay! These candles represent light, guidance, and hope as countless steps into this new chapter of your life. Each person choosing to hear words of freedom, encouragement, and wishes for a bright future. So let us begin the next part of the celebration as we light up Captain's path with love and inspiration. A big hand, please. To follow the first candle. She is a friend, and her name is Beverly. Hi, everyone. I want to say happy birthday. I really appreciate, especially your work. I really appreciate you, especially my overall adult. You kindly understand. When I was alone, you were there for me. When I was crying, you were there for me to hug. And I really appreciate it because I'm not someone to express myself that well. And because you always laugh at my joke, especially when I fall. Very sweet. And until now, he's still my brother. Right. And I wish you all the best. And I always pray for you. Because I know that what you are. People, especially why you took school students. And yeah. Mahal kita! Thank you for your heartfelt share, Miss Shasha. And now, may I call Miss Chan? Yeah! Thank you, John, for this sweet conversation. Maybe they have a secret. And they know it. Okay, the next one is Hideo Abdul.
how you look, but your heart, your thoughts, and the way you care for others. Being around you always feels comforting and joyful. I adore your smile so much. It has a way of personally lighting up and you. I love how effortlessly you make everyone laugh, and how even the smallest moments with you become memories of treasure. Sharing laughter with you and being able to live your life too is something I will always be thankful for. As you turn 18, I wish you nothing but the best in your studies, your dreams, and the life you are building for yourself. More than anything, I wish for your happiness today and always. Happy 18th birthday, Ate. Thank you for being you and for letting me be part of such a meaningful one. I'm so proud of you and I will always be right here cheering you on. I love you.
Thank you, Steve, for your warm greeting to Happy. And now, Miss Nadia! Thank you, Miss Nadia. And another friend of Kathleen, no other than Andre. Thank you, Andre. And now, her friend also, Hazika.
Hello, Kathleen. I want to say happy birthday and thank you for inviting me for your special milestones. I'll keep on short because I know that everybody wishes you to have a successful life. I wish for you to have a good birthday every day until you're blessed. I hope your days are filled with genuine joy. Continue being yourself because that's what I like about you.
Thank you, I'm really nervous right now, but first of all, I'd like to wish Kathleen, Selena, Katina, Saxon a very happy 18th birthday. As you enter this beautiful new chapter of your life, may you always have the courage to chase your dreams and the strength to believe in yourself, even when times are hard. Turning 18 is such a meaningful milestone, and I hope it marks the beginning of countless new opportunities, adventures, and memories that shape you into the amazing person you're meant to become. I hope that every day brings you joy, growth, and happiness, and that you continue to learn, laugh, and shine in your own unique way. And no matter how hard life gets, always remember that you are loved by everyone around you. May this life and all the years ahead be filled with success, good health, and moments that make your heart full. Happy 18th birthday. You truly deserve all the good things coming your way. And also, make sure you don't forget our street dancing.
Thank you, Felicia, for your good message. And now, how do you say this name? Jabrel? Jabrel!
Happy birthday. As I wrote to GPMC, I didn't think I'd be the person I am today if it wasn't for you. It's a real shocker to me. In a short span of time, we became this close. Ever since you threw that donut at me during the first day, it feels like fate brought us as friends. You make studying so much more fun, and I'd even say you're the reason I got good grades for biochem. I love how you take the time to help each other in our studies. Thank you for being a part of my life, and you make so much more bearable. And I wish to continue our journey as nurses together. I love you.
To call on, we're going to welcome Kaisara.
I don't know what.
Even though it's not really medical, this year in this course, really Kathleen, for me, the same groups, biochem, speech, and I brought up was being there, not only just a friend, but as a family, as nurses. We can see my daughters. Really,
Thank you, Kaisara. And now, let's welcome Adrina.
Good evening, everyone. So, Kathleen was
one of the person I talk to when I enter Disney Express. It's funny how fast we vibe with each other. And from that day on, I knew Kathleen is a nice person. Fast forward, I haven't known Kathleen forever, but I already know that I'm not letting her go. She is kind, supportive, and brings good energy wherever she goes. She is like the mother of our group. So on your birthday, I just want to thank you for being my friend. I hope this year and the years onwards brings you happiness, growth, and everything you've been done because you truly deserve it. I love you, Kathleen.
You have the part.
Sorry, everyone. Wait, hold on. Despite me being older than her, I'm very surprised about how mature she is actually. And then I want to take this chance to thank you for always reassuring me in the past, and then for always caring for others even though you have your own self to worry about. And also thank you for always making me feel very, very safe to be myself around you. And I'm very grateful to have you as a part of my chapter at JCNS. And also, I'm very proud of you for going through our first semester even though we have very many crash outs. And may we always continue to grow together and support each other. And always remember that even though you feel down, you have us, our classmates, to cheer you up. And before I end my speech, I would like to sing a little.
What a nice boss! I wanted to request more. To the next person. Is it okay? No other than Priscilla! Where's Priscilla? Okay, there she is.
Dear Kathy, you are the very first person I think of whenever someone mentions their favorite senior. Today is your special day and your officially an adult. I'm so thankful and happy to be celebrating your birthday, especially after not seeing you for such a long time. Ever since you graduated, school has been great this year. And all of you have a senior to look forward to see every day, and it isn't just exciting as it is to be where you are. Even though time has passed, you've never felt distant to me. You've helped and inspired me so much in my studies, and you're one of the most hardworking people I know. Even though I've never witnessed it closely, I know how
And now, can you hear the noise of the audience? Are you still good? Are you still up? Okay. Can you do the bang clap? You know the bang clap? Okay, I will illustrate you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. There you go. Count to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Yeah, thank you. You're still good, right? And now, for the 15th candle bearer, goes to Mommy Vanji. Yeah. Maybe you're wondering, I'm not her friend. So, thank you for all the lovely wishes. And I should say, sabi nila, ang manggada, kumunga, manggaling. Kaso, ang naging bunga, rage. Pero, sweet pa rin. Okay, so, you must not be, I won't be surprised, and then, keep to your family. Bunga siya ng pagmamahal. She's a beautiful. Their house is filled with love and laughter. So, I'm very proud of you, Mom. And ako, paano ko tingnan yan? So anyway, happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday. Ako pala yung grandma niya. I'm her grandma. Adopted. Happy 80th birthday. Happy 80th birthday. Sorry, ang kasi kayo mas liwas. You have grown to be an amazing young woman. Always remember, you are brave than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and lovely and loved more than you know, and twice as beautiful as you are. So welcome to adulthood. May your 80th birthday be the beginning of the life full of happiness, success, and love. Embrace your journey with heart and spirit. Thank you, Mommy Vanji.
that is so dear to her heart. No other than Kit. Yeah!
You can drive me to my hangout now. When you get your driver's license. I've been paying for this now. It means so much to get your friends. You tried so hard and come so far. But in the end, it doesn't matter. My happiest moments because we sing together on our vlogs, and I play the guitar for you. It's the most soothing I'll always do. And sana lang ito sa mga days. Thank you.
What a cute message. Thank you, Kit. And now, for the final and most meaningful candle of this tradition, we have someone who has been Pat's greatest source of love, guidance, and strength. The person who has stood by her through every step of her journey. May I request again the audiences to take their glasses using their phone. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Pat's mother to light the Indian candle and share her heartful wishes for her daughter, Mommy Alex.
Good evening, everyone. Sorry, I have no time to memorize this one. First of all, thank you all for being here to celebrate this very special day. The 8th birthday of my first daughter, Kathleen Inu. 18 years ago, when I first heard you in my words, I knew my life had changed forever. You were so tiny, yet you carried the biggest piece of my heart. From your first smile, your first steps, the young woman standing before us today, every moment has been a blessing. Kat, you have grown into a beautiful, intelligent, and kind-hearted person. I'm so proud of you. And the values you live by. The respect you show to others, your determination to reach your dreams, and the love you give to your family. Today marks the beginning of your journey into adulthood. It's exciting. And it also comes with responsibilities. Always remember the lessons we've taught. Stay humble, no matter how far you go. Kunti na lang. Be brave when life gets tough. And never forget that you have a family who loves you unconditionally. As you step into this new chapter, chase your dreams. Fearlessly, but keep your feet on the ground and your heart close to God. Happy 18th birthday, Anna. I love you more than
messages for our lovely debutant. Truly, these words will light her path as she steps into this new chapter of her life. Now that we fill the room with warmth and love, it's time to turn up our excitement! Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a very special performance prepared just for tonight. Let's give it a round of applause as we welcome. Kate, you're the one. Introduce.
Let's give a big round of applause as we welcome Vince Joshua to the stage.
Before I start, first of all, happy birthday. And I'd like to apologize. I said I was performing solo, right? I'm not. Alright, let's go, Banana Nuggers! Come in!
Okay, this is interesting. Let me watch. Let me watch. It is interesting.
Just
Basilio.
And now, another performer! Yeah! Let's welcome her sister, Kim!
Hold on, I have to set up.
Wow. Hot day.
Thank you so much, Keith, for your lively performance tonight. Okay, and now for the final performance. We're going to witness now the performance of our dear debutante, Kathleen!
I truly appreciate for everyone for coming on my and for all the gifts and your love and your time to attend this beautiful event. Because honestly, I don't really like big events, but because of you guys, I really decided to celebrate because of you guys. I really truly appreciate everyone.
manage to play?